Vessels inspectors attempt to find cause behind most boiler incident. What they found was the poor maintenance practices and defective low water cutoff were generally the culprit, including more serious incidents that result injuries and building damage. Our boiler maintenance checklist will help ensure so you don't become a statistic in this study. Routine maintenance is critical to ensure a boiler system remains responsible, safe, and efficient. Below our recommendation for daily, weekly, monthly, semi-annual, and annual tasks. As always, follow your manufacturer recommendations and routine maintenance, and also maintain a daily boiler logbook.
Daily maintenance. Technician looking over boiler log sheets as he examines a boiler. First is check water level glass gauge, record the pressure gauge and temperature gauge. Second is check the LWCO and ALWCO operation, blow down water column, make the burner shut down. Third is drain gauge glass. Fourth is turn off burner control switch, observe response to flame failure. Fifth is observe operating control and high limit control. Sixth is perform button blowdown to remove sludge and sediment. Seventh is observe burner refractory cone looking for broken chunks. For the weekly, the first is check all leakage on burner controls and on the automatic draft controllers. The second is check air damper or on burner. The third is check valve operation in gas train. And the fourth is check pilot and igniter, look at the condition of flame. The fifth is check operation on LWCO, blow down boiler, water level through drain, watch gauge glass to see burner cut off before losing slight of water.
Monthly, first is test limit controls on boiler. 2. Test flame detection controls. 3. Check blowdown from sludging at bottom of boiler. 4 is verify blowdown, separators and collar operations. 5. Check floor drains for proper functions. And the lastly is 6 is check boiler fresh inlet screens.
Here are the 8 annual maintenance. Number 1. Disassemble and check LWCO and ALWCO for sludge, corrosion, or electrical switch defect. Number 2. Verify and tune up burners and settings. We recommend quarterly tuning by a qualified technicians. Number 3. Inspect fire side for soot or damage and water side for scale or corrosion, and clean the boiler inside and out. Number 4. Hydro-test boiler for leaks, tube joints and pipings. Number 5. Inspect all refractory for fallen broken chunks. Number 6. Check gas regulator pressure settings. Number 7. Replace or recertify safety valves. Number 8. And lastly, number 8. Bubble test fuel trains.
General maintenance. Number 1. Keep the boiler burner and entire boiler room clean. A clean boiler room is essential to first-class boiler operation. Number 2. Keep the burner and boiler control covers in place. The electrical contacts in the control are very sensitive. Number 3. Never close vents supplying air to the boiler room. If cold air currents cause difficulties with boiler room equipment, install air ducts to direct the flow of the fresh air. Number 4. Repair all leaks promptly. All piping connection to the boiler and burner should be leak-free, because even a minor leak, if neglected, may soon become serious. Number 5. Foaming or priming may occur in the steam boiler and cause large quantities of water to pass over into the steam main. You can detect it by observing violent fluctuations or sudden drops in water level in the glass. This will result in nuisance shutdowns of the burner due to the low water cut-off shutting of the burner valve, dirt or oil in the boiler water, and overdose of boiler compounds, or maintaining excessively high water level may cause these issues. In the case of serious trouble, stop the burner and decrease the load of the boiler, then correct the condition according to the boiler manufacturer's instructions.